Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about limit test for arsenic. The test is normally called Gucci test, GUT, because this test the sensitivity is very high, so we can detect the arsenic very better than when compared to other tests available. So our pharmacopoeia uses this test. Coming to arsenic, we know arsenic is an undesirable harmful impurity. Yeah, it is very dangerous to have it in medicinal substances. So limit test for arsenic must be carried out in order to detect its levels and eliminate them. The pharmacopoeial limit test is, as I said, is Gucci test, and arsenic limit test is based on the following. First of all, in order to detect the arsenic, it must be converted into arsenic gas. Yeah, here we can see in detail arsenic is converted to arsenic gas. So when this arsenic gas is passed over the mercuric chloride test paper, it produces a yellow stain. From the intensity of stain, we can detect the amount of arsenic present by comparing it with a standard. So a standard stain produced is from we know the standard means we know we have used definite amount of arsenic in it and comparing the test with the standard. Coming to the chemical reactions, first of all we should dissolve the sample in an acid to produce an arsenic acid. This arsenic acid, when you with the help of reducing agents like potassium iodide, stannous chloride, etc., is converted to arsenious acid. This arsenious acid will react with an acid hydrogen produced during the above reaction, and it converts the arsenious acid to arsenic gas. So this is the principle or the test procedure. Here what are the reducing agents we are going to use are zinc, hydrochloride, stannous chloride, and potassium iodide. If our sample contains impurities other than arsenic, they are trapped by a cotton plug which is previously soaked in lead acetate solution. This is the apparatus as per IP. It consists of a 120 ml capacity bottle in which the sample is placed, fitted with a cork to a tube or glass tube which is 200 in length, and it is the top of that glass tube is fitted with a rubber bunks. In between we can see the mercuric chloride paper. So here we can see a lead acetate plug to trap the impurities other than arsenic. The procedure is simple. We should place the sample substance in the bottle, and we need to add a 1 gram potassium iodide and 10 grams zinc AST, which means arsenic free zinc. Place the remaining parts immediately, that is the fit the mercuric chloride paper in between the rubber bunks and fit it to the glass tube at the other end. Here we can see that a small hole is present in the glass tube through which the arsenic gas passes onto the mercuric chloride paper placed on the top. Coming to the standard preparation, for the standard preparation we use a 50 ml water, 10 ml stannated HCl, dilute arsenic solution. The arsenic may range from 0.02 ml to 1 ml. 1 ml approximately contains 0.01 milligrams of arsenic. Now we have to compare the test with the standard. The standard stained paper is compared with the test one. If the intensity of the test is lower than the standard, then the sample passes the limit test for arsenic. Thank you for watching.